In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own printable planner using Canva in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to organize your daily tasks, set goals, or just express your creativity, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. If you don't have a Canva account yet, it's super easy to set up. But assuming you're all set, let's dive in. You're going to start by typing planner into the search bar at the top of the page. This simple search will give you access to a vast array of planner templates that Canva has to offer. You'll find everything from daily and weekly planners to more specific designs like meal or fitness planners. Take a moment to browse through the options available. Once you have a sense of the types of planners available, go ahead and select the one that appeals to you most. This is the fun part. Picking a design can be both exciting and a little overwhelming given all the beautiful choices Canva offers. Don't worry too much though, because you'll have plenty of opportunities to customize it to suit your tastes and needs. After you've made your selection, look for the button that says customize this template and click on it. This will bring the template into the editing interface where you'll have the freedom to make it truly yours. The Canva editor is intuitive and user-friendly, even if it's your first time there. Now you can start personalizing your planner. One of the simplest ways to make the template your own is by editing the text. Click on any of the text boxes within the template and you can change the font, size, color, and alignment to better fit your style. Feel free to reflect your personality in the content you add. If you want to add specific dates, motivational quotes, or personalized headers, now's the time to do it. The great thing about Canva is that it gives you a lot of creative freedom to tweak nearly every part of the design to your liking. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're all set to download your project. In the top right corner, you'll find the download button. Simply click it, choose your preferred file format, and save it to your device. Now you have a beautifully customized planner that's ready to be printed and used. And there you have it. A custom planner created in Canva, ready to help organize and inspire you each day. Creating your own planner is not only a productive endeavor, but a satisfying creative process too. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using your new planner as much as you enjoyed designing it.